Today's quant question. Anil wrote all the natural numbers 1 to n in his book, but mistakenly skipped one of the numbers. He later calculated the sum of all the numbers that he wrote and divided it by what he thought was the number of numbers he had written. If the result he thus obtained was 43 and 7 by 11, find the numbers that he forgot to write. So here, Anil wrote natural numbers 1 to n, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, 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 up to n. And suppose he missed number x between 1 to n by mistake. Later he calculated the sum of the all numbers that he wrote, means the sum will be sigma n minus x, and divided it by the number he thought was the number he had written. So he thought he was writing number 1 to n, so he will divide it by n. And it is coming 43 and 7 by 11. Correct? Here, the value of n and x both are not given. So many of you may opt this option that it cannot be determined. But here, this question can be determined. Look here. Here, sigma n minus x divided by n is equal to 43 and 7 by 11. Right? Actually, what Anil was doing, he was dividing the sum by the number written by him. Means he was in a sense that he wrote all number 1 to n. So he divided the sum by n, means he was actually getting the average of all natural numbers 1 to n he wrote in his book. Correct? But what is happening here, by the mistake, he missed one number. So this sum is not a real sum of all natural number. This sum is less than the real sum, sigma n minus x, and dividing by n. So it means the value 43 and 7 by 11 will be definitely less than the average of all natural numbers 1 to n. Means the average of 1 to n natural numbers will be greater than 43 7 by 11. Point is clear? Okay. Now the second point. Here, sigma n minus x upon n is actually sigma n minus x upon n. If you simplified it, this 43, 7 by 11, then it is 480 by 11. And look here, 480 upon 11, here denominator is 11, which is a prime number. It means sigma n minus x upon n is equal to 480 upon 11. Cannot be reduced further. It means denominator n, left hand side, and denominator right hand side is 11, suggests that the value of n will be a multiple of 11, like 11 or 22 or 33 or whatsoever. So now the question is, what is the value of n? Look here, average of n natural number, the formula is n plus 1 by. Correct? This is the formula for getting the average of first n natural numbers. So now see, if we take n is equal to 11 or 22 or 33, or even if up to 77, if you take any number, any multiple of 11, like if I take n is equal to 77, then 1 to 77 Average is 77 plus 1 by 2 is 39, right? And if you take n is equal to 88, then here 88 plus 1 by 2 is 44.5. 44.5, correct. It means any multiple of 11, 11 to 77, the average will be less than 39. 11 or 22 or 32 up to 77. In every case, the average will be less than 43 and 7 by 11. And here you already have a thought that average must be greater than 43 and 7 by 11. First time when you take 88, the average 44.5 means the average of all first 88 natural number is 44.5, which is greater than this. It suggests that the n may be 88 or the next multiple 99 or 110 or whatever. So 11 to 77, no chances. Correct. So value of n may be 88, 99, 110. And now see, sigma n minus x upon n, right? Means I can write sigma n upon n minus x upon n is equal to 480 upon 3. Look here, x upon n. The value of x upon n will always be less than or equal to 1. Correct? Take any number, 1 to n. If you subtract any number, even if you subtract n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, up to n, and if you x is equal to n, so n upon n is equal to 1. Or less than n, 1 to n minus 1, you take any number. So x upon it, your number which you mistakenly escaped, divided by the number, divided by the total number, will always be less than equal to 1. Correct? It means this 43 and 7 by 11 should be 1 or less than 1 from the original average of all first natural numbers. So if 1 to 88 you are writing, if 1 to 88 Anil wrote a number, then average is 44.5, and 44.5 in case of 88, average will be 44.5. So 44.5 minus 1 or less than 1, you subtract from 44.5, then it is 43 and 7 by 11. Correct? But if you take any other number, the next multiple after 88 of 11, like 99, the average is 99 plus 1 in 50. And here 50 and the 43 7-point difference is greater than 1. So it is not possible. So further, any other multiple will also not satisfy this condition. So it means when you are taking n is equal to 88, then the average of all number 1 to 88, and here 43 and 7 by 11, the difference is less than equal to 1. So now it is 100% sure that number he missed is n is equal to the number he wanted to wrote was 88. 1 to 88. Correct? So now no problem. You can find, because it is sigma 88 minus x divided by 88 is equal to 480 by 11. You solve it as will solve, then it is coming Sigma 88 means 88 into 89.2 minus x. And here, this is 8 into 480. It is 0. This is what is 3840. And here, this is 44. So multiply it, 89 into 44, 36. This is 356. It is 39. This. So 3916. So x is equal to 76. So answer is 76. C is right answer. You got the idea? So these are some points which you have to think.